Hello. Welcome to Learn English Daily. Today, we will learn sentence structure. This is very important. It helps you make easy sentences. Let's start. Every simple sentence has three parts. Part 1, subject. This is who or what. Part 2, verb. This is the action. Part 3, object. This is what or who receives the action. Subject. Then verb. Then object. Let's call it SVO. Let's see an example. I eat rice. I is the subject, eat is the verb, rice is the object. I eat rice. Let's try another one. She reads a book. She is the subject, reads is the verb. A book is the object. She reads a book. One more example. They play football. They is the subject, play is the verb, football is the object. They play football. Now, it's your turn. Look at this picture. A boy is drinking water. Can you make a sentence? Pause the video and try. Did you say? He drinks water? Great job, that is correct. Let's try one more. A woman is cooking food. Pause now and make your sentence. Did you say, she cooks food? Excellent. You are learning very well. Let's remember today's lesson. Every sentence has subject, verb, object. Subject is who. Verb is the action. Object is what. Try this rule every day, it will help you speak easily. Great work today. Like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.